Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered the getting started guide for Banana Pi BPI-P2 Pro board, that how we can flash the Debian Bullseye operating system onto the eMMC storage of BPI-P2 Pro board, how we can configure USB debugging, how we can set up the Wi-Fi on this board, and how we can perform the SSH access of this board terminal over the Wi-Fi. Now in this video what we are going to do is we are going to clear the eMMC storage of BPI-P2 Pro board. So if you don't know that how you can clear the eMMC storage of Banana Pi BPI-P2 Pro board, then this video is for you. So let's see how you can clear the eMMC storage of BPI-P2 Pro board. So here is my BPI-P2 Pro board. Now what you have to do is you have to go to the RK dev tool. Now if you don't have this RK dev tool, then you can get it from our GitHub repository. So you can right click and open this link in the new tab, and here you can navigate to the software, and here you can see update eMMC tool. So you can download this zip file, and once you extract that zip file, you will have this RK dev tool inside this zip file. So once you download, you can open the RK dev tool. Then after, you can navigate to the upgrade firmware section. Then after, you have to click on the firmware, and then you can select any of the firmware. This is mandatory step. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the Bullseye firmware which we have loaded in the previous video. So I'm going to load it now. So here we have selected the firmware. Now once you select the firmware, you have to plug your device with your system. So here is the USB. What I'm going to do is I'm going to press the recovery button, and I'm going to plug this USB into my system. Now I'm going to release this recovery button. That's it. And we can again open the RK dev tool, and once you plug your BPI-P2 Pro board with your system into the recovery mode, you will have one loader device available in your system. Here you can see found one loader device, means this RK dev tool successfully found this device connected. Now we can erase the flash, or you can say eMMC storage. To erase the flash or eMMC storage, you just have to click this button, erase flash. And here you can see it is started erasing the flash, and here you can see erase flash 100%, reset device success, and erase flash success. So we have successfully cleared the eMMC storage of this BPI-P2 Pro board. So this is how you can clear the eMMC storage of your BPI-P2 Pro board in case if you want to flash new operating system, or if you want to clear the eMMC storage for any other use. So I hope everything is clear, that how you can erase the flash or erase the eMMC storage of BPI-P2 Pro board. Now let's meet in the future videos regarding BPI-P2 Pro board. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.